Howdy.
What's up?
Wait, what does Jason say?
He doesn't talk.
There you go. So, in honor of it being October and Halloweeny, we did another horror-themed wrap that I was so excited for, teaming up with two of my favorite ladies, Miss Curvaceous Wraps, Christina over in Portland, Oregon, and Kat, who's from Tucson. If you guys remember, a few years back, we did their Kruger cat, aka the Freddy Krueger Hellcat Red Eye.
Mr. Freddy.
Which was also with Curvaceous.
I love that car. It's
beautiful,
so cool.
Still beautiful.
So cool.
But they recently bought the new Daytona EV, and they decided to do a Jason design, which incidentally, Curvaceous created one about a year or two ago.
It was already done, right?
No, she created it, but she didn't actually.
But it wasn't into a car yet.
Yeah, it wasn't a car. So I think this is the only one. So we had her recreate this, and it's kind of a nice contrasting, like complementing color to the Freddy car. Because the Freddy car is like rusty and oranges and browns and golds, and then this car is like blues and silvers. So they look really good together.
But it's funny because we were saying it's like really pretty, even though it's like
horror. There's so much beautiful, stunning detail, and this is something that Christina has like fine-tuned. Is her signature style. She does very sexy and beautiful and detailed, but also it's horror. So if you look at some of her other stuff, she's done Predator, Alien, like all this stuff, but it's so much detail and it's so pretty.
It's
beautiful.
She somehow makes it pretty.
Yeah. So we did our favorite printing combo, which was the Avery Matte Metallic Silver with satin laminate and reflective overlays for a little extra pizzazz.
That also made it pretty.
Also printed on our Mutoh 1682 SR Eco Solvent printer. Shout out to Avery Fellers and of course Mutoh, and check it out. We hope you guys enjoy.
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Okay, bye.